post, which would have got it there maybe a day or so sooner, but that would have been like $50-some. So, whoa, what are you doing? Whoa! Yeah. Fuck, no signal, just come on over.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's a friggin' recycle truck. I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Police reported ahead.
You idiot, you're supposed to get over.
Police reported ahead.
You fucking Nimrod! I'm supposed to get over when there's a cop. You're so cute.
No problem. Wow.
I guess because you didn't race off the line, you took your time and made sure nobody was going to run into us. What the fuck are you doing? Holy fuck! You gonna run that red light? You bet you are. Yeah, make sure you go through that red light, buddy. Holy crap, are you kidding me? Frick. And there was a cop behind me. And didn't do anything about it. Jesus. Oh, I think that was a red light. You gonna run that red light? Yes, you are.
Working class DJ with Rick Springfield.
Okay, you can stop for that light if you want. Oh, I guess you can't. Jesus. You're not. Holy crap. The fuck are you braking for? You got the right of way, dummy. Is that guy pulling a Yui?